So most companies sell, I say most, a lot of companies sell UV lights. The issue is they just sell you the UV light and it plugs in here and they put it in your HVAC system and call it good. But UV by itself doesn't do much for our indoor air quality, but we can add a couple of things to this that make this a far superior light than most what you see out there on the market. The first thing that I would do is add this honeycomb material that can produce ozone, or it doesn't have to. In either case, we want to utilize this to also produce, in our case, multi-cluster ions, or MCI technology. This is a patented to this light specifically that is made by GreenTech and Pure Air. And this is the one that we recommend because it does so many things. After we install this honeycomb material that has a quad metallic coating on it to produce the multi-cluster ions and ozone if we want to. We can get this honeycomb so that it doesn't produce ozone. We also install on another addition on this honeycomb material this PCO cell that helps to produce, it's a photocatalytic oxidizer. So we have 3 or 4 different ways that we can have this light create a healthier environment going forward. This customer in this house particularly had our dry fog system done a couple of days ago, and now we're going to maintain the indoor air quality and the systems going forward so that we have reduced microbial growth. This light is the way to do it going forward. It's very low maintenance. It's very low. Obviously, there's almost no cost in it in electricity, but this is the best way to go forward with maintaining your indoor air quality. UV lights by themselves may work just for the benefit of the mechanical systems that are very close to the light, but it doesn't do anything for indoor air quality. So be careful which lights you choose out there. If you are interested in one, give us a call. Pure Maintenance of Alabama, 205-751-0001. All right, let's put this thing together. And I'll chop out all of this. Figuring out part here.
A quick question for you. I've seen some folks pay $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000 for just the light itself. What's the retail cost on this light with all these additional benefits?
Yeah, so I would say give us a call on pricing. It's going to be at least half of what some of these big companies, I mean, I've seen people charge for lights that don't even have all this technology $3,000, $1,000 easy. UV lights, even with all the technology on them, the MCI, the DBI cells, the PCO cells, all of that shouldn't cost nearly that much. So just give us a call and we'll walk you through that. But it shouldn't be. There's no way it should be $3,000. Can't really give pricing per their contract.
Sure.
Let's get this guy seated right in here. There we go. So that's the way it looks. Or if you want to, if you've got a larger space, let me get this light out now. Let me lock in here. If you've got a larger space, you can actually put two of these lights in. You put one on this side like we just had it. You can put another one of these PCO cells up here. If I can get it to fit. Like that.
And when you talk about a larger space, what kind of square, I mean, I guess it'll handle all of the HVAC unit, whatever it's covering, but how large a space can it cover with two?
They go by tonnage, and I don't know. I'll have to look that up.
Okay.
But for commercial spaces, you do it big enough. So, yeah.
That's probably good.
Just like that.
All right.